demolition of Babri Masjid was not pre-planned. The accused had not pulled it down. On the other hand, they only tried to block the anti-social elements who went to storm the mosque. This was the decisive as well as significant verdict of the Special CBI Court in Lucknow on September 30. The verdict that gave a clean chit to all 32 BJP Sangh Parivar leaders accused of having conspired to demolish the 16th century mosque. Not only this, the court also observed that mere photos could not be taken as evidence and all evidence materials before it are weak. Moreover, the CBI was not able to prove that conspiracy was hatched to demolish the mosque, said the 2000-page verdict. The mass acquittal of 32 Sangh Parivar leaders including L.K. Advani, Murali Manohar Joshi and Uma Bharati, citing lack of evidence, makes it clear that this judicial pronouncement was not the one taken in haste. When the Sangh Parivar hails the verdict as historic verdict, the opposition parties went to the extent of saying that the nation was once again murdered. The new verdict has more or less thrown to winds the strongly worded Liberan Committee report that was submitted after 17 years investigation. What L.K. Advani secured from Allahabad High Court was a verdict that was in his favor. Following this came the Supreme Court verdict allowing the construction of Ram Temple in Ayodhya in a time-bound manner. After that, Sunni Waqf Board and other related organizations gave the nod, though not wholeheartedly. Soon after this, Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone for Ayodhya Ram Temple. Yes, that was the supreme goal that Sangh Parivar has been longing to achieve for the past 30 years. When the Supreme Court also gave the green signal, the Ram Temple's work started in no time. The latest verdict of the Special CBI Court has also provided a conducive atmosphere for the realization of Ram Temple. Meanwhile, BJP Sangh Parivar circles have given a sigh of relief, saying that 30-year witch hunt against Sangh Parivar leaders has ended. As the Apex Court pronounced the historic verdict in favor of Ram Temple in Ayodhya, opposition political parties were almost sure that the Lucknow CBI Court's verdict will also be like the one that is out now. As that is the case, discussions and debates over the verdict is likely to fizzle out soon. But there is an unanswered question in the minds of the average citizen of the country. Actually, who did raise the centuries-old mosque? As of now, it is not known whether the CBI will go for an appeal against the Special CBI Court's verdict. However, those who oppose the verdict still have options to move High Court and then the Supreme Court, from where they can get the final verdict. But for that, it will take years, as we all know. And by that time, we don't know how many among the accused would be alive. News Desk, Kaumudi English.